Okay, I'm picking up on the idea that Ram's team had with the API accessible Excel macros. The problem with the original implementation is it only works on PCs, so I'm experimenting with Macs to see if we can come at this from a different angle, and so far so good. Just wanted to show the progress. So we're in Excel, and I have a macro running in here, and whatever it only supports get queries so far, but whatever the get URI is, you simply put it in A1. You come to Tools, Macros. It's called API. I'll show you what it looks like in a minute, and you run it, and it will execute that API request, which in this instance is the current status of the Nodester Node.js platform as a service. So it's running. We should see some activity here in B1. There it goes. So it did the fetch and it returned the JSON object to B1. So let me show you how this works so far. We come into macros, we say Visual Basic Editor, yuck. It's this module 1. And we can take a look at it here. Got a lot of commented code because it's still very experimental. It grabs the text in A1, which is our URI. It uses ActiveSheet instead of the other implementation to actually make the call. And it tells it the connection, which is what we had in the A1 text right here. And the destination is basically outputted to B1. So it overwrites a cell, refreshes, and then we actually could. I was experimenting with parsing the JSON. So there's some techniques. Looks like that it is achievable. We just need a little bit more work at this, and we should be able to output that JSON object to actual a data grid with cells. So there you have it. That's the beginning of a version that would run on Mac and PCs of Excel APIs.